Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to convert MOV to MP4. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Open your File Explorer with VLC Media Player open, go to the top left and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert Save. In the new window, click on Add and find the MOV file you want to convert. Select the file and click on Open. Next, click on Convert Save at the bottom of the window. In the Convert window, select the appropriate profile. For converting to MP4, choose the profile Video H, 264 plus MP3 MP4. This profile ensures that the video is converted to an MP4 file with H, 264 video codec and MP3 audio codec. Click Save to apply these settings. Now, choose the destination for the converted file. Click on Browse next to the Destination File field. Select where you want to save the file and give it a name. Make sure to add MP4 at the end of the file name to ensure it saves as an MP4 file. Click Save and then click Start. You will see a progress bar indicating that the file is being converted. Once the conversion is complete, you can close VLC Media Player. Navigate to the location where you saved the converted file and you will find your new MP4 file ready to use. So that's basically how to convert MOV to MP4. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.